everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Kajal, and in today's video I'll be creating a daytime wedding look. I'm going to attend one of the wedding during daytime, morning time, and I will be wearing a lehenga which is quite bright and colorful. So I'm planning to make a subtle makeup, do a subtle makeup rather. And so if you're interested, please keep on watching. So I have just cleaned my face, I have taken the shower. So let's start with the daytime makeup look. So I'm starting off by applying a little moisturizer. For this I'm using the Mamaearth overnight repair cream and moisturize my face. I'm taking a pump of it and apply. Once the moisturizer is done, since it's a daytime look, I need to apply the sunscreen also. So again I'm using from Mamaearth their natural Radiance day cream, which has some sun protection and pollution protection. So I'm taking a good amount of this, 2 pumps. This is a 2 pumps, and applying all over my face and neck and the exposed area. Then applying lip balm from the Himalaya, and it has sunscreen also, so it's good for the daytime. We're going to concealer. This is from Wet n Wild range concealer, and applying little amount on the ears where I have pigmentation, and on the nose and forehead for highlighting it. Then for giving a base to my makeup, I'm using the Lakme 925cc foundation cream, and I'll take just a pump of it because it's daytime and I don't want a heavy look or something that is visible very easily. So I want a natural look. So in a dotted motion, applying all over my face. Setting up my face with Maybelline compact powder. Shaping my eyebrows with Fashion Brown from Maybelline cream pencil. So I'm in little hurry, so doing in a fast, quick manner. After shaping my eyebrows, it's time for the eye look. Now for creating the eye look, I'm using the 2 eye pencils from NY Bay. One is in green color and other one is in purple color. So I'm taking an eye look. So I'm taking the green pencil and applying all over my eyelid. Not going very far, just on my till my crease area, as you can see. After filling my eyelid area, I'm taking this purple eye pencil and try to do the eyeliner part. So this is how the look is coming. Then applying the mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. Since my outfit is also colorful and I have the colorful eyes also, so I'm going in for brownish lipstick to balance everything. So this is from Ellie 18 Color Pops. So this is how the complete look is turning up, and this is in the shade B41. Anyways, I'll be mentioning all the details of the products that I'm using today in the description box below, so please go and check it out. So this, I'm almost complete with my makeup, so I'm fixing my makeup with the spray from Wet n Wild. And allow it to dry, so I'll catch you in some time changing my outfit.